Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to, of course, go and buy a redeem Walmart gift cards. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy and redeem Walmart gift cards. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So for online purchases, visit the Walmart gift card page. Then choose so I'll be of course linking the Walmart gift card page here. So basically you need to go and follow this link here. Then after that, choose the e-gift card design and amount ranging up from $5 to $500. Add the e-gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. Then enter your email address. If the purchase is in store, visit any Walmart store, go to the gift card section and select the desired gift card, pay the checkout counter. So that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.